For a decade, Bates' family thrift store in Burnaby has operated out of this location.
It's been a very, very successful endeavor. We've been able to manage to raise over $1 million for the kids in this community.
But after all these years, the business is getting ready to close its doors for good.
Our rent was $10 a square foot. It then went to $30 a square foot, and now it's going to be extended to $40 a square foot if we continue to stay. And our business is not viable.
The store is run by 60 volunteers, and most of the proceeds go back into the community. Woodruff says her organization has tried looking for another location, but so far their search has not been successful.
The last 18 months, we've been looking at properties all across Burnaby and New Westminster. The retail space is very, very tight.
And it's not the only not-for-profit struggling to find a suitable location. On the other side of the Fraser River, Seva Thrift Store saw their previous rent more than double, forcing them to move in April. But finding a new space was not easy.
Every place we were getting was more industrial. So everything we came across, we would have to do a big renovation.
Anija says with high rent costs, their ability to give back to the community has reduced significantly.
Since we got the rent increase, we haven't been able to donate.
According to StatScan, the average retail rent in Canada has increased by 6.5% since 2019. Last year, a new Westminster councillor proposed special economic zones to help small businesses amid rapid development, increasing land values, and rising commercial rents. But one expert says commercial rent control is not a solution. The focus should be increasing the real estate supply.
We need to make it easy and fast and safe to invest in commercial or residential real estate so that people do that in large numbers. And then we build a lot more than we currently have built.
Pavlov says there has been a chronic shortage of commercial real estate in BC, similar to the residential market. He says what happens to commercial rents will depend on the local economy. Sohrab Sandhu, CBC News, Surrey.